Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I have short hair right now because I literally haven't filmed the intro to this video yet, but I basically hosted my second cat cafe, and this time I took it up a notch and did a ikebana theme. It was actually inspired by my friend Karina's son's coffee, where she had flowers for her guests to, come get a coffee, get some free flower. So I was like, why not do something similar and then call it nekobana, like neko and ikebana, get it? So yeah, I was able to turn my vision into life and invited all of my close friends. Everyone came at once, and I was like really stressed about like making drinks and stuff because there were like at least 20 people in my room at once, which I've never had that before. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. People just like ordering drinks, get some matcha cookie that was baked by my boyfriend Kobe. Ta-da! And it was kind of like a soft launch for my brand. Honestly, I was gonna say that I can't tell you what it is yet, but you'll get a little sneak peek. That's all you're gonna get. So if you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. I forgot to mention that I got tons of flowers for my friend to pick and make their little ikebana in a little cup holder. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the actual event. It's gonna be a little funny because my hair is a lot longer and now it's like short. Enjoy.
Look at me. You know. Be cute. Good boy.
everything is set up and ready to go thanks to my friend. We have all of the flowers ready. We're gonna get more flowers because my friend's gonna bring some. And then we have all of the to-go boxes for them to put flour in it. There's a little foam thingy for them to make like ikebana. And then over here we have my chair and some treats. And then we have also the menu and the ikebana that I made and some napkins. Matcha bar is ready and all of the syrups is made, so we're good to go. And now we're just gonna chill until everyone comes. I'm so excited! For the menu, we have yuzu matcha lemonade, lavender matcha, jasmine matcha, matcha cookie, chocolate chip cookie, summer bouquet, which is that one, and it's just a floral tea. And then we have sencha, Vietnamese coffee, matcha latte, and then for other we have espresso, dirty matcha, and cold brew. But I can make like literally anything else if they want it. There's gonna be at least like 20 people, I think, maybe a little less. I'm not sure though, because some people said they're gonna come and some people said they're gonna come later, so.
Wow.
But it already has like a little foam for you to like make ikebana. And then you can just go over here to the sink, anywhere in here to like make your little, what can I get to you?
So cutesy. Bye, Noah.